Want your Facebook profile to look more organized and professional? Highlights let you keep your best memories visible forever. Most users still don't know how to set them up properly. Today, I'll show you how to add highlights to your Facebook profile. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and creative Facebook features that actually work. Step by step, how to add highlights on Facebook. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and sign in. This feature works on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is updated to see the latest options. Stay on the home screen before moving forward. Step 2. Open your profile icon to enter your Facebook profile page. Scroll down until you find the Highlights section. Look for the plus icon to create a new highlight. This is where your featured stories will be displayed. Step 3. Choose content from your camera roll or past stories. Select photos or videos that best represent your moments. Take your time choosing visuals that look clean and attractive. Once selected, continue to the next step. Step 4. Proceed to the next screen and add a title for your highlight. Use a short, clear name that matches the content. A good title makes your profile look more organized. Review everything before saving. If this feature helps improve your profile, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook profile and creativity tips. Your support helps bring more useful tutorials. Step 5. Finalize by selecting Save to publish the highlight. Your chosen stories will now appear permanently on your profile. Visitors can view them anytime without scrolling through old posts. Your profile instantly looks more polished and professional. Bah! Your Facebook highlight is now live. Highlights are a simple way to make your Facebook profile more attractive and memorable. They help showcase your best moments without cluttering your timeline. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your profile stand out. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and creative.